ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್? ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್? The primary general relationship between banker and a customer is that of a debtor and creditor. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು the person. fourth one ಬಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, the person to whom the amount of check is payable is called. The best answer why dishonoring a check for want of funds by a banker will be. I will go to next page. A collecting banker is given protection only when he collects a. Fifth question. Sixth question. Seventh one. A person who has not attained the age of 18 years is called. An account opened by 2 or more person is a bank is called dash account. Which of the following account is not having check facilities? 10th last one question. After its nationalization, Imperial Bank of India was called as. ಈಗ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಂದು 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಶೋ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್? ರೈಟ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. Who is banker? Write any 3 functions of a commercial banks. Write a note on central bank. What do you mean by wrongful dishonor of a check? Who is a collecting banker? What do you mean by crossing of a check? Section C. Now ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. 10th question. What do you mean by electronic clearance service? What are the futures of current account? Write a note on cryptocurrency. Mention the futures of negotiable instruments. Write a note on garnished order. Section D 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 2 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತು. Explain the importance of banking. What do you mean by dishonor of a check? Explain the reason for dishonor. ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬರೆಯೋ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. Explain the precautions to take by a paying banker while paying the check. Or explain the functions of Reserve Bank of India. This or this. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಚೆಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.